Chapter 8, Assigning a maintenance plan to a piece of equipment or location. In order to effectively schedule and manage routine maintenance, it is crucial to connect each piece of equipment or location to its corresponding maintenance plan, which outlines the necessary activities. By utilizing a single plan for multiple related pieces of equipment or locations, duplication is avoided and management is optimized. To link a maintenance plan to equipment, access the maintenance module and select equipment. Choose the specific equipment and then select Link Routine Maintenance Plan from the submenu. Next, select the plan to associate with the equipment or locations and click Finish. If the maintenance plan includes activities controlled by readings, the system will prompt you to enter the last known reading of the equipment and its average monthly usage. Select Yes to continue. Click on the Edit and Confirm Initial Routine Maintenance button. Then review the automatically scheduled maintenance dates. The system will generate the start date based on the last service date or when the equipment will be put into operation. The first scheduled maintenance date is automatically determined by the frequency but can be adjusted by the technician. Save the changes by clicking OK and then Close. You have successfully linked a maintenance plan from the equipment module. Another valuable function that the system offers is the ability to view a list of maintenance plans and link a piece of equipment to them. To accomplish this, navigate to the Maintenance module and select the Maintenance Plans option. On the left side of the screen, choose the desired plan. Then, go to the submenu and click on Link Plan to Equipment or Properties. Check the box next to the equipment or properties that you wish to link to the selected plan. Click on the Finish button. If you are linking a maintenance plan that includes activities governed by meter readings, the system will prompt you to enter the last known reading of the equipment and its average monthly use. Select Yes to proceed. Then click the Edit and Confirm Initial Routine Maintenance button. Verify the dates of the maintenance tasks that the system will automatically schedule. Then, click the OK button, followed by Close to save the changes. Congratulations, you have successfully linked a maintenance plan from the Maintenance Plans module.